So hello guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. This is Amby's vlog and I'm back with another video for you guys. It's been so long that I have not posted any single video on my channel, but I'm back with few new videos for you guys. So today's video will be an unboxing video for a component which I am going to install on my Volkswagen Polo 2011. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the box which I have received. As you can see, it's a Volkswagen component and there is nothing much on this box. I have ordered this thing from AliExpress and soon you will get to know what's inside the box. So as you can see, the dimension of this box is not that big and it's of good quality. So the product inside this box is very well protected, as you can see from this packing. So let's just quickly open this box and see what's inside it. Here there is a Volkswagen logo and I guess it's written in Chinese, the compatibility of this product with various models of Volkswagen. So let's quickly open up this box and see. So as you can see, there is no seal. I have opened this box and checked whether the product is okay or not, so sorry about that. So there was a seal out here, so let's open it up. So as soon as you open up the box, there is a ring like thing and which is quite heavy also, and the finish is also good. I will let you know guys what is this afterwards in the video, so let's just keep it aside for now. Then once you open up the box, after the mounting ring, there is one more box inside it, so you can lift it up using this tab out here. So let's take it out. So let's take it out from this way. So you can see something inside the box. Let's just quickly keep it aside and see what's inside this box. So this is a small box. We'll open it up. So there are few cables inside it, you can see, with decent length, a rubber insulation pipe, a paperwork, it's in Chinese, one more cable, and there are a few more paper bits inside. I don't know what it is. I guess it's a warranty card kind of thing. It's in Chinese also, and a quality tag for the product. Even this is in Chinese. So let's quickly keep it inside this thing. So let's move on to the bigger box. So you can see, let me zoom it for you guys. It's a Volkswagen emblem, and your guess would be correct. It's a flip badge camera for my Polo. Nothing inside the box. So here it is, emblem, Volkswagen emblem wrapped in proper protective film over it, and it's a flip badge camera. So quality of this product is good. It's just like an OEM one, but it's not an OEM product. It's a third party, but the quality and the fit and the finish is like an OEM one. The cable is very well insulated and protected, as you can see, and this is how it will work. So this will act as normal boot handle, and once the reverse is engaged, the camera will pop out from this place. So the unit is very well built. It has a proper weight to it. It's not that plasticky thing. It's like an OEM product. So thumbs up to the quality of the product as of now. We'll see it's working once it's installed on our vehicle. So if you want to order this product, I will leave the link in the description for this product so that you can buy it. And approximately it costed me around 12,000 with customs and everything. So it is a good deal. So this is the main unit which will be there in the box. The cables which I have shown, this would be for the camera module which will go in your head unit, and it can work with all standard head units which have this kind of input. Let me zoom it for you guys, which have this kind of inputs. Also there is one more version which will work with RCD's series of units which are offered by Volkswagen, so you can check out that. There's few more cables which will run through your vehicle from start till the camera. This is a drain pipe which is used at this point of this unit, which will drain out the water which will go during monsoon season or while cleaning. So this were the box content present inside the box. The quality of this product is very well done. It's of good quality. The finish of the product is like an OEM one, though it's not an OEM product, it's a third party one, but the quality and the finish is like an OEM one, and it will directly fit on your vehicle. No alterations would be needed. And for the models like Polo, they have provided this mounting plate, so there would be no problem fitting it directly on your Polo. So I hope you guys liked the unboxing video. So till then, stay tuned to the channel and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, this is Ambys vlog signing off.